Hello everyone, welcome to Technique Box, and today let's see how we can interface an ultrasonic sensor with an Arduino. This is an HC SR04 sensor, and here is the sensor itself. This sensor has 4 pins, and we'll also need an Arduino. I'm using an Arduino Uno revision 3 in this case. You will also need some wires for connecting the ultrasonic sensor with the Arduino. Now let's connect those wires to the ultrasonic sensor. As I have said, the ultrasonic sensor have 4 wires, and we have to connect the plug to all of the wires, and it's connected. Now let's connect this ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino. Here is the Arduino, and we will be using pin 11 and pin 12 along with power and ground for this project. This is the VCC, which means I have to connect this to 5 volt. Let me connect this to the 5 volt pin, just like that. And now let me connect the trigger pin to pin 12. Here it goes. Now the next one is called the echo pin, and it's connected to pin 11. The remaining one is the ground pin, and let me connect it to the ground port on the Arduino. Here it goes. And yeah, that's pretty much the circuit. Now let's take a look at the code. Here are the few lines of code which you need, and in the first 2 lines we define echo pin and trigger pin. Pin 12 is the trigger pin and pin 11 is the echo pin. Now let's move on to the setup function, and in the setup function we have a serial dot begin with a baud rate of 9600. 9600 is fine for this project, and we have a pin mode function in which echo pin and trig pin are given its properties called input and output. Now here's the void loop part, and in void loop we declare 2 variables called duration and distance as a variable of integer type. Then we do a digital write to trigger pin, which is pin 12, and give it a voltage of high. Then after that we wait for 1000 microseconds, and after waiting for 1000 microseconds we do another digital write to the trigger pin, which is pin 12 to low, and we set this trigger pin as low, and we do some mathematics to calculate the duration. Pulse in echo pin high, that will give you the duration of the echo, and then we do a calculation to find the distance. Duration divided by 2, since the wave has to go and hit the surface and come back, and we divide it by 29.1 to get the distance. Here's the duration divided by 2, and after that we do a serial dot print function, and we print out the distance. Here's the distance, and the distance will be displayed on the serial monitor, and we also do a print line, and we print out the centimeter along with the distance, and then we wait for 500 milliseconds to loop through this function. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much the code. And now let's upload the code to the Arduino. When you have uploaded, you can open the serial monitor and see the output. As you can see, here is the output. It displays the distance, and you can see that the value changes when I move things closer or farther away from the sensor. As you can see, the object is pretty near, and now I'm moving it back. Here you can see the distance increasing. That's it guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you in your project. Bye.